Hey everybody, my name is Jesse and you're watching Outside is Calling. Many of you may or may not know that I'm a film student. I'm back actually in school full-time getting a degree in cinematography, and this week one of my assignments is actually a video. I figured stick it on here, share it with you guys, see what you think. The video has to be 3 minutes or less, so let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Jesse and I'm a film student. The main emphasis of this film critique is what went well and why did it go well. So the first thing we want to talk about, okay, that was dumb. Anyways, the first thing I want to talk about the Fantastic Beasts and where to find them is the really interesting way that they introduced the main character, Newt Scamander. So there's all kinds of ways to strategically and kind of artfully introduce characters and do character development. In Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, we learn a lot about Newt in the first minute of the film. As he gets off of a ship that just arrived in the US, he's actually processing through customs. And so we learn a lot about Newt, where he's from, where he's going, and a little bit about the baggage he has. So it was a really interesting way that the scriptwriters and the story reveals to us, the audience, who Newt is and maybe a glimpse of what he's up to. The next thing I want to discuss is the supporting character for Newt, which is Tina Goldstein, Catherine Waterston. Catherine Waterston, her character is Tina Goldstein, and she kind of becomes Newt's conflict, if you will, in the story. And I wanted to point out, many of you have likely already seen Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. I have a couple times, but it wasn't until like the second and third time I saw the movie that I started to notice these little nuances of why it was a good story. And my first time watching the movie, I was kind of annoyed and perturbed at the character Tina, how she seemed to always perpetually get in the way of Newt and what he wanted. Had she not been part of the movie, Newt would have come to America and, without giving away any spoilers, he would have completed his objective and he'd have left. And we'd have no story. So the story, everything comes about because Tina jumps in there, throws some roadblocks our way, and makes the story very interesting in the process. So if you're looking for a clever character introduction, some good supporting characters, great set design, and some pretty cool, CG with the Fantastic Beasts, I'd say go watch it. It's worth the watch. And if you have already seen it, maybe watch it again and pick it apart for these little subtle things that make it a well-composed film. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And this is very random. I know it's not part of our typical videos, but it's something I'm doing for school. I figured I'd share it here and let you guys check it out. Thank you all for watching.